Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ellison. I'm here to show you various ways on how to practice one-to-one correspondence and counting with your student at home. This can be found in the pre-K to K matrix that the district supplied. In the matrix it has a template. You can feel free to use that template, but I find it might be too busy for some of our learners. So what I did is I took a piece of paper and I cut them into 4 sections and I wrote all the numbers I want to practice on each piece of paper that I cut up, and I drew little squares on them. This is a more modified way to do this activity. This will help the student, this will help guide the student into practicing one-to-one correspondence. So you can find anything around your house that you have available: pennies, marbles, Cheerios, Cheez-Its. For my demonstration, I'm going to be using dog treats, so my friend Mr. Winston can get some cookies. So the first card I pulled out is the number 2. It has 2 squares for the students to match. The students could either do this independently or you could do it hand over hand with them. 1, 2. Then count it again with them. 1, 2. You counted 2. Yay! Or have them do it independently. For students that use a communication device, it would be great if you could match this number to a number on their communication device. I believe from their homepage, if you go to the page called Groups, there should be a button that says ABC 123 or a button that says Money that will bring you to a number page. So you match that number to the number on their device, and then they are finished, and they can get their reward, just like Winston. I'll do this example 2 more times to show you exactly how you could do it. Ooh, the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did it. We counted the number 7. Good job, Winston. And I will show it to you one more time. Remember, depending on our students, some might need hand-over-hand accommodations. Some may need to do it on their devices. Feel free to give them as much support as you feel necessary. Ooh, we found the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We did it. We counted number 5. Good job. Good job, Winston. Another way that we could do this is if having the visuals is too supportive for your student and they need a little bit more of a challenge, is we could write the card with just the number and no visuals. This would have them count without those visuals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did it. We counted 7. Another great accommodation if you want to do some errorless teaching is to only put the number here over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That way they can't get it wrong and they can be praised for exactly how many they put on the card. So let's try it again. I'm going to do some errorless teaching with myself. So right now we have the number 2. Oh gosh, it's time to count 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. I did it. Great job. And good job to Mr. Winston. I'll show you again, this time without errorless teaching. I'll give myself a bunch, way more than this number states, so I have to make sure I'm counting. I got the number 6, so it's time to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6! I did it. Great job to Mr. Winston, too. So I hope you find these videos helpful, and I hope that I get to see you guys soon. And Winston says goodbye with a nice sit. Have a good one.